I'm Marissa Mancini. I'm the program coordinator for the Healthy Neighborhoods program.
And I'm Rick Smith. I'm with the Auburn Fire Department.
And today we're going to give you some tips and tricks about fire extinguishers.
So our extinguisher here is an ABC extinguisher. We have our date on the bottom. This is a 2021 extinguisher. Some things you can do is make sure that your pin is still in there. Make sure that your gauge is charged to where it needs to be. If it's in the green, it's charged. It can be overcharged or undercharged as well. You want it in the green zone. These fire extinguishers are a pressurized dry chemical powder. You can hear it inside. Some of the older ones will tend to cake up at the bottom. That's why it's important to have them checked and inspected or replace them after the manufacturer says so. You should call the Healthy Neighborhood program and we'll come out and take a look and see what their needs are.
Call 315-253-1560 to schedule your no-cost home safety check today.